Hi friends, I am Jagraj. Once again welcome to Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. In this session we are going to see what is EWay bill, online EWay bill procedure and EWay bill latest update. Finally key points. Let us know EWay bill. EWay bill nothing but electronic way bill which is we are generating online GST portal. EWay bills is a evidence for movement of goods. As per the rule 138 of GST rules 2017, every registered person they have to maintain movement of goods of consignment. The value is more than 50,000. They have to furnish following details: GST of recipient, place of delivery, invoice or challan number and date, value of goods, HSN code, transport document number and reason for transport, transporter details or vehicle number. Purpose of EWay bill. EWay bill is a mechanism to ensure the goods being transported and comply with the GST law, and is an effective tool to track the movement of goods and check the tax evasion. EWay bill validity depends on distance to be traveled by goods. For a distance of 100 kilometers, 1 day validity. Thereafter, every 100 kilometers, 1 day additional validity will be there from the date of EWay bill generation. Let us see online procedure. If you open GST EWay bill website, home page will load. In that right hand side you need to click on login. The login page you need to enter your EWay bill login ID and password. Next you need to update captcha and click on login. Once log into the portal, you can able to see dashboard, last 3 dates information we can able to see in the screen. If you want to generate EWay bill, click on generate new. Once load that EWay bill entry form page, you can able to see transaction detail in that supply type and subtype. Let's see supply subtype, outward and inward supply. Here we need to select that subtype. If you are selling product, you need to select supply. If you are selling product for export purpose, you need to mention export, or job work purpose you need to mention job work. Similarly for SKD and CKD, or your lots means partially you are delivering the material, or own purpose you are using, mention it for own use. Similarly line sales, recipient not known, exhibitions or facts, and other purpose. Here you need to mention the subtype details. Similarly for inward also. If you are going to fill this EWay bill entry form, you need to mandatory note down this point. The red color is indicating mandatory field EWay bill, and green color indicates the field is for GST1, nothing but outward supply registered. Here we are selected outward supply, subtype we are selected job work, so by default is showing delivery challenge. In case if we selected supply, means it will show you tax invoice and bill of supply. So based on the which subtype you are selecting, based on that document we need to furnish document number, document details, and bill from our GST details, and bill to whom we are going to bill it. Then item details we need to define it. Then transportation details. Part B, we need to mention that mode of transport and vehicle number details and submit it. Let's see field form. If we select here outward supply invoice, we need to mention invoice number and invoice date. Transaction type by default regular. Bill from it will show you supplier GST number and address details. Bill to recipient GST details and address. In item details we need to define the name of item, item description, HSN code, quantity, units of measurement, then taxable value of the item, Next, the percentage. In case additional item is there, you need to click on plus symbol. then you can add additional item, how much item you are having it, different type of item you can select it. Total taxable amount auto calculated. CGST and SGST auto calculated based on that what percentage you are defined in the previous line item details, and total invoice amount it will calculate. Once fill that green color indication field, it will be auto populated in GSTR1 outward register for next month. Next we need to fill that transportation details. Here the transporter ID is there, means you need to enter transporter ID or the GST number. By default it will capture transporter name. Distance will be by default it will capture based on the PIN number. Below that we can update approximate kilometer manually. In part B we need to disclose the mode of transport: road, rail, airway or ship. Then if you are transporting through vehicle, means you need to mention the vehicle type, whether regular or cargo vehicles. Next you need to update vehicle number. It should be valid vehicle number. If you are having transport document number, then enter the document number and date. Before submitting, check the preview. Is there any mistake? Then correct it and submit it. Means after submit there is no correction option. You can able to cancel that EWay bill by mentioning reason within 24 hours. Once click on submit, EWay bill document is ready to print. Transporter should carry that hard copy of EWay bill or the EWay bill number. It should be disclosed in that invoice copy or delivery channel. Let us see latest update of EWay bill. Once open that EWay bill site, you can able to see that vehicle number verification. Any vehicle number if you are updating it, it will validate transport department vehicle registration site. EWay bill system is now integrated with the Vahan system of transport department. Vehicle registration number entered in EWay bill will be verified in the Vahan data for the existence or correctness. Let's see EWay bill online form. Here we are going to update valid vehicle number, validated, and showing that vehicle classes as per the Vahan transport system. It's a goods carrier. Let's see key points for generating EWay bills. First one is mandatory field indication by red color. Then second one is mandatory field GSTR1 indicated with the green color. It is advisable to enter these fields so that automatically GSTR1 is prepared for the next month. Please ensure your document number alphanumerical as value. Please ensure your recipient details. Please ensure your document details of the goods, and please ensure your vehicle and transportation details. I hope we have shared some valuable information to you. You may like this video and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel, click on notification bell. Don't forget to comment on this video. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. Stay tuned, every day something new to learn.